What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have the Maximm cable. Now there's a reason why I got this cable. If you have ever seen my review when I went over this Mac outlet, you know that most of my extensions it's a little bit longer than the Mac box, so the box usually stays out like this. So I want to test this new extension cord in which is flat on the back. Okay, now this extension cord comes, I think, in a case of 3, so you could get like 3 of them, but I think it's each one is 6 foot and then 2 at a certain amount of foot. So yeah, they also have like a little package deal, and all this stuff is on Amazon, but I want to test this one out. Now this is not smart. Unfortunately, I will basically be hooking this up to my Atomi, but my Atomi is a smart light, so basically I could turn it off and on with the Atomi. So this is the only thing I will be basically hooking it up with. I am planning on getting a smart outlet for outside, so if y'all want to see that pretty soon in the near future, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you will probably see me in the algorithm reviewing it. So either way, I'm going to review it. This one is a 15 foot. It says it turns 360 degrees, and it's turning right now all the way around without any problems. All right, it does have a cover on it from the manufacturer. Cover is off. All right, now as y'all know, my goal for this was to make sure that I can close my cap on my Mac cover plate right here, and I think I can accomplish that goal. Now that y'all know this rotate 360 degrees, if you have a Mac cover like mine, then you may want to test this out for yourself. But right now I have an opening on my right, and then I have an opening on the bottom. I'm going to put it in, and I can close it all the way now. Pretty simple as that. That's all I pretty much wanted to show y'all. It's locked in. All right, now let me put this one on the top. If I turn this in an angle like that, I can go on the side, and let me show y'all that real quick. All right, you guys, so we are down here, and just wanted to show y'all if y'all want to get something like this. Now I'm not sure if I could fit 2 of these on one outlet. I am not sure about that, so if I do get another one, it may be cutting it close, especially for the roundness of it, in which we can't really help that, because for the turn is 360 degrees, it has to be round. Now that is very comfortable. If I need to hook something else on the top, I can. Now I will try to look for something else that I could try to hook here and go on the side as well, so be on the lookout for that. But as far as this goes, I think this is as good as I can get it. This is 15 foot. All right, and this is all I need, because this is what I really want to do, so I can go ahead and hook up my Atomi smart light, and that way the smart light can actually start from over here basically, and then I can work my way back to how it used to be when y'all used to watch the old videos. All right, you guys, so to finalize this thing does have a 13 amp current going in, and this is rated 125 volts, I believe. When I find the specs on Amazon, I will post it right there so y'all can see all the specs. All right, just in case I say something wrong, then the specs will be right there for you, and that will be it. So yeah, I actually like this 360 degree design. If y'all know a different design, go ahead and put it in the comments. I will look into it, because right now I'm going extension cord crazy right now. This is my first one, so I will be purchasing some more cool extension cords, and also I'm looking for a workshop outlet, you know, one of those real long ones that you can plug in all your batteries and stuff like that, so I could charge all of my batteries at once. And that is about it. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next review.